Christy Nielson with the University of Mississippi, specifically the Patterson School of Accountancy, where I teach a class on IT audit. The University of Mississippi and the Patterson School of Accounting have partnered with Oracle Academy for over 3 years now. And in my class, I use the NetSuite, academic version of NetSuite. And I am so grateful to Oracle Academy for that academic access. So what I really like about Oracle Academy and the academic version of NetSuite is that it helps me give my students hands-on experience with an enterprise resource planning system, an ERP system. So my students work through simulations in NetSuite, in this ERP system, and they see how documents flow through the AP cycle and the AR cycle. And I think that helps them to build mental models about how the operation side of companies work, how products are purchased and then sold. And I think these mental models are really important for understanding this business side of organizations, of companies. It's critical to understanding how ERPs function. And for my class, that's important, right? So I teach an IT audit class, and auditing standards require that auditors understand how their public company clients, how their systems work. And a big component of those systems is ERP systems. I am super grateful to Oracle Academy and wish them many more years of success, and a big congratulations to 25 years.